Hello everyone, this is the Realization Lion. In this game tutorial, you will learn how to build a game like this. Okay, so what it does is that when you click on play, there will be a character like in shooting bullets, and the terrain and everything is built from the very beginning. So you can follow through all this set of tutorial and and find out how it's made. Okay, we'll introduce you step by step and slowly build to what you see at this point. So I hope to see you in our next video. Okay, if you wish to learn more about this game, how to build it, and subsequently in the next video also I will also introduce to you what you need to set up in Unity and your Visual Studio Code before you actually embark on this journey. Okay, thank you. I hope to see you in the next video.